Hello everyone, welcome to Junumson once again. So today's topic is placebo effect. So we will just understand the basic concepts of placebo effect in this video. We will not go so extensive so far because the effect or the word placebo is a very common word in the world of biology and not only biology, also in the medical science, and we have to know what is the placebo effect because it has several applications in our day-to-day life. So placebo effect is effect which actually mimics our whole body, our whole system actually. Actually, if we would use the term mimic here, it will be a slight wrong because it actually fakes. It helps us to induce an expression or induce an activity by our brain that is not happening there. Basically, placebo effect is a fake effect that is produced by our body, that is controlled by our brain or mediated by our brain, but actually we are not doing the work which will mediate that thing. For example, I am going to a very much popular hospital. So the people around me will just question me one thing: what happened? So everybody thinks just of a big disease or something serious to me when I refer the term a popular hospital or something a big hospital. Basically, placebo effects are those effects where a person feels good or a person feels less pain in his wound or something from the pain is radiating on intaking a pill or a medicine that actually has no effect. For example, if I gave you a sugar pill or a pill which is totally filled up with sugar or something useless things, and I said that this is an analgesic pill that will relieve your pain, and I prescribe that pill to you on your headache. You take the pill according to my doses and you feel great. Oh yes, my headache is gone because I have prescribed you a pill. Suppose I am a very much popular doctor, or suppose I am a very much reputed doctor and I prescribe you a medicine for a certain disease, and the medicine is nothing but a sugar tablet, and you feel great. Oh yes, I am being prescribed from a very popular doctor and yes, it works. But this is nothing but a placebo effect. Actually, this placebo works by the two mechanisms. Number one is conditioning and number two is expectations. If we peep into the world of zoology, there is a branch called ethology or the study of animal behavior. In the field of ethology, there is a chapter called learning. It's a big topic actually, under which we study about conditioned reflex and unconditioned reflexes. The conditioned reflexes or conditioning are classified into two categories: operant conditioning and classical conditioning. Ivan Pavlov, also known as the father of conditioning, has once experimented upon a dog. He kept the dog in his house. He regularly throws milk powder into his mouth and the dog starts secreting saliva. Afterwards, he used to ring a bell when he throws the milk powder into his mouth, and gradually the dog starts to salivate when he hears the ringing of the bell. So that is a conditioning. And the second thing is, this is the first part, that is a conditioning mechanism. The number two mechanism is expectations. We expect that this pill will or this medicine will affect us so greatly that we will just be cured, or we will just lower our pain or something that we are taking the medicine for, and therefore the symptoms will go down. And that high level of expectancy will result or will fake our brain mechanism, and that psychologically helps us to reduce our pain virtually, and that is nothing but a placebo effect. Two terms The word placebo is a Latin word that means I shall please, and the opposite of the word placebo is nocebo, and that means I shall harm. Some sort of physiological conditions also works here. When our body is towards a placebo effect, or when our body thinks of something very much with a greater level of expectancy, then our brain releases some feeling good hormones, or that hormones which helps us feeling good, like endorphins or dopamines. They also have some certain minimal effects towards releasing or removing our pain slightly, and that's basically on psychological levels. Nocebo effects are those effects which are totally opposite to placebo. Placebo are positive effects and nocebo are harmful, or the opposite to placebo effects. If we think of having a medicine with its side effects or with its deteriorating effects that will harm us, and that thinking perspective towards that medicine will make us so aggressive that we will just think that no, we can't eat this medicine, or we can just take this medicine because it will harm us. And that conception is gradually be very much determined in our brain, and ultimately a harmless medicine or a harmless medication can also harm us because we are thinking like that. And that psychological sense or that psychological perspective can even be fatal. People may die from nocebo effects. If I want to give you a amchur powder and I just tell you that take this medicine, it's a very good churna, and this is extracted from mango, the first thing people will say, oh, it's a mango powder, it will not work. But if I say it is the extracted powdery form from Mangifera indica, the people will say, oh, so technical terms it is. So the people will directly grasp into it, and some people also start having some effect on the certain disease, but actually it is harmless, or it is having no effect on the certain condition. So this is generally a placebo condition. Pills are greater than tablets. Again, injections are greater than pills, and a big worthless instrument or a big worthless apparatus is far more effective than that of the injection. So all these experiments, all these psychological senses goes towards the placebo effects, and there is nothing but a psychological sense, and it doesn't hamper your body, nor it have some positive effect on our body, but it's all about the psychology that we feel good or we feel bad. So with all this, I want to conclude my video on placebo effects. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have some doubts, please comment me below. Also, consider subscribing my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also click the bell icon if you are new to the channel. With all this, thank you, stay fit, stay motivated, bye bye.